Welcome to our guide on how to speak English at the airport. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a first-time traveler, mastering essential English phrases can make your airport experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive in. First stop, the check-in counter. Approach the counter with confidence and greet the staff with a polite good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Let them know you'd like to check in by saying, "I'd like to check in, please." Provide your reservation details and, if needed, ask about baggage weight and excess baggage fees.
A sample conversation in check-in counter. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I assist you today?
I would like to check in, please. My name is John Smith and I have a reservation for the flight to London.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. May I see your passport and booking confirmation, please?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you. Just a moment while I retrieve your booking. Here it is. You're seated into 3B. Do you have any checked baggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check.
Perfect. Could you please place your suitcase on the scale so I can weigh it?
Sure thing.
Excellent. Your bag meets the weight limit. Here's your boarding pass, Mr. Smith. Your gate is 8:12 and boarding begins at 10:45. Have a pleasant flight.
Section 2. Security check.
Next, it's time for the security check. Find the security checkpoint and politely ask, "Is this where I go through security?" Be prepared to remove your shoes, belt, and jacket and place liquids in a clear plastic bag. You can ask, "Do I need to remove my shoes, belt, jacket? And I have liquids in my carry-on bag. Is that okay?"
Section 3. Boarding gate.
Now, let's head to the boarding gate. Locate your gate by asking, "Where is the gate for flight B3642 London?" Inquire about boarding times and any priority boarding options. You can ask, "What time does boarding start? And is there any priority boarding?" Once on board the plane, find your seat and politely ask others to move if necessary. You can say, "Excuse me, I think this is my seat." If you need assistance with stowing your carry-on bag or require amenities like a blanket or pillow, don't hesitate to ask a flight attendant. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to speak English at the airport. Remember to speak clearly, stay polite, and don't hesitate to ask for assistance if needed. Safe travels.